Okay, we're going to do our last significant project with the wagon, which is the headliner. So here I'm just pulling all the clips and pins and screws and trim pieces that go up and down the pillars. They're everywhere on it. So just take your time and kind of be careful, especially on these old cars. They're kind of brittle, so you can break these trim pieces pretty easy. And if you can, especially on these big cars like a station wagon, to get somebody to help you, and that way you don't run the risk of breaking the board, because it's just kind of a cheap cardboard, fiber board kind of thing. Alright, now we got to get it stripped and cleaned. Let me get a razor blade and a brush. So here I'm just stripping the old headliner off. The fabric obviously comes off real easy, but the foam, I'm sure everybody have seen what it looks like. The little dust foam that falls out is what happens. It deteriorates. I guess it just rots. So I'm just taking a brush and brushing all that off. It's a little bit time consuming and messy. If you have an air hose like I do here, it does make it easier to blow it all off when you get done. Just kind of do it at 3 sections, maybe. Will that work? Oh. Alright, we'll give it a try, I guess. Okay, now you can buy this stuff in just a spray can, but I happen to have this from trying my luck at upholstery work. I need to lay something across there before I really mess up. I really don't know exactly how much I'm supposed to put. So, I'm kind of guessing. Let me think. It's not coming off on me, so let's see. By the way, I got this headliner material from Hobby Lobby. They've got it by the yard. I've only done this once or twice, Never anything this big either. One little bitty wrinkle. See if we can get it out. Come on now. You can come over. There we go. Almost professional. Almost. So here I am just doing the same thing I did at the front. I just sped it up because it's a little bit time consuming. So I just sped it up, but I done it in 3 sections. It's a little easier to handle. Actually, I done it in 4 sections. It's a little easier to handle when you do a little bit at a time. If you're trying to do a whole big one, maybe the professionals can do it, but I can't. So I would do it in small sections. And that's it. Scary part's over. Alright, let's see if we can get it back in there. I didn't film all the trim pieces because they go back in the same way they come out. But that's it, finished. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good for probably about $40 in material and about, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 hours total. So anyway, there it is. I'm almost done with it. Now I just got to do a little cleaning and buffing and decide what to do with it.